Hey everyone! DocuSign remains the gold standard for secure, legally binding agreements. The process is designed to be a digital handshake, allowing you to verify, adopt, and finalize documents on any device without ever needing a printer. Step 1. Open the secure link. We are starting with the access point. We do this because DocuSign uses unique, encrypted links sent via email to ensure that only the intended recipient can access the private document. Open the email from DocuSign and click the yellow Review Document button. A landing page will appear. You must check the box that says, "I agree to use electronic records and signatures," and click Continue. Without this digital consent, the document remains locked for your protection. Step 2. Locate the signature fields. Now we are moving to the action tags. We do this to bypass the fine print and jump directly to the sections that require your specific input. Click the Start tag on the left side of the screen. The page will automatically scroll to the first required field. Click on the Sign or Initial tags. In 2026, DocuSign might also prompt you for data verification fields, such as a quick ID check or a passkey, depending on the document's security level. Step 3. Adopt your signature. We are performing the identity verification. We do this to create a consistent digital fingerprint that represents your handwritten signature across the entire document. If it's your first time, an Adopt Your Signature window will pop up. You have 3 professional options. Choose a pre-styled font that looks like handwriting. You can use your mouse or a touchscreen, tablet or phone, to draw your actual signature. You can also upload a high-contrast photo of your physical signature on white paper. Click Adopt and Sign to apply this style to every required spot in the document. Step 4. Finalize and save. We are finishing with the execution. This step seals the document with a digital audit trail, making it tamper-proof and legally binding. Once all tags are filled, click the Finish button at the top or bottom of the screen. A message will appear saying, "You're done." You can now download a PDF copy for your records, and the sender is automatically notified that the agreement is complete. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.